Hi, welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so glad that you all are joining me today. In today's video, I am super excited to be able to share one of my handbags and give my final reviews on this bag because I've been getting so many requests to sit down and do a detailed video on this bag. If you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, hi, I am Fatima and welcome to Simply Fatima. And if you enjoy all things luxury handbags, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and that you also hit that like button and also hit the bells button so you'll never miss an upload from me. So I don't want to keep you guys waiting, so let's just get right into the video. So today's video is about a handbag that I have two videos already up on my channel about, and it is my Saint Laurent smooth leather camera bag. Here she is right here. Here's the tassel. The strap is trying to come out the bag. Let me go ahead and just show her off because she's ready to be seen. So yeah, this is my Saint Laurent smooth leather camera bag. Ever since I posted my first video about this bag of me unboxing it, I have been getting plenty of questions about it because you don't really see this bag too much on YouTube, and you don't really hear of people, well, I don't see or hear of too many people getting this particular bag. Everybody else typically get the traditional Saint Laurent Loop camera bag, which is always like in the quilted leather or like gold hardware. And so yeah, so mine isn't any of that. It's different. It's the small. So what made me end up getting this bag is that it was right when lockdown hit here in the United States, and I was just like, hey, I want a bag that is easy. I can just like dump everything, hold my essentials, run to the store, come back home, bada boom bada bang, we're done. And I wanted a crossbody bag. I wanted a crossbody bag that could hold enough but was not too big and was not too small. And I stumbled across this on the Saint Laurent website. I ordered it. It took a while for me to get my bag. I wasn't upset or I wasn't mad because I still had other bags that I could use at the time, but I was just really eager to get this one because it's just like so different and it's just so easy. And it came, I think I ordered it like the last part of April, maybe like mid-April, last part of April, and I didn't get it until like the beginning of May. And once they shipped it, the shipping was fast. The packaging, how did it come packaged? Because it's been a while since I had it. I mean, I have my video uploaded, so if you guys want to go back and look at the video of me unboxing it, then you would have that. But it came in a discreet brown cardboard box. Inside of that brown cardboard box was the Saint Laurent box where the bag came in, and then they also included a shopping bag in that. But in my unboxing video, you just see me take this bag out of the shopping bag because I just put all that into the shopping bag. And then yeah, I love her. Let me first off by saying that, like, I completely love her. And she is such a casual bag. She is also a bag that you really don't have to really think about. She holds a lot. I also posted a video of me showing what fits inside with mod shots. I would also link that and link that in the cards above and link that in the description box below. But like, she's amazing. So she is a zip closure bag, so she zips all the way. The zipper is also black as well. So like, when I tell you everything is like black on black, everything is black on black. It has a back pocket. The bag has a back pocket back here. And, well, let me show you. Here's the back pocket right here, and then here's my authenticity information. The strap does come adjustable. I am 5'3", and the bag stops right at my hip because of the way I have it adjusted. The tassel is also black with the black hardware that says Saint Laurent, and it also comes with this Saint Laurent tag right here. This is the back of the bag, the side of the bag, the other side of the bag, the front of the bag, the bottom of the bag, and then the top. But yeah, like, would highly recommend this bag. I know the holidays are coming around and people are trying to figure out what they should get their loved ones, and if somebody in your family likes Saint Laurent or they want a first Saint Laurent piece, I would highly recommend this. I think if I remember correctly, I paid like $1,100 for this bag. They might have had a price increase. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me. So I'm gonna link this in the description box down below, so that you guys can check this out on their website. But like I say, this is like 15 out of 10 recommendation. Like, I highly recommend this bag. It's functional. It goes with every outfit. You can dress this up, you can dress this down, and it holds a lot. Also, even though I've done a what fits in my bag, for the sake of this video, I will also show you what fits in here so that everything is just like easily in just one location. So I will start out first. Let me grab my things that I need. And so yeah, let's just get started. So here's a camera bag. There's nothing inside of it. So yeah, so I have my Saint Laurent card holder. Everybody knows that I love this. And Laurent card holder. And then next I have some hand sanitizer. This is a full bottle of hand sanitizer. It's 3 fluid ounces. I'm getting tongue-tied. So yeah, so here's that, and it fits right inside just like that. I have some gum, and that will fit right inside. And then I have some hand cream that is almost out. So yeah, so I have this little hand cream, and that's gonna go right inside of my bag. I have my iPhone, which is just an iPhone 10, just a regular iPhone 10, and that goes in my bag nicely. Like, you see, everything's in there. And then I have a pen. I like to carry my own pen nowadays, so I'm just gonna drop that in there. I have my Bath and Body Works lip gloss, and I'm just gonna drop that right into the bag. I also have some, and we still have tons and tons of space. Like, we didn't even make a dent. Like, this is like the never full in crossbody form. To me it is. And I have some gloves. My mask is in my car. I keep that in my car. Just for the sake of the video, I have some Fenty lip gloss, and that's gonna go right into my bag. And I also have a Neutrogena makeup wipe remover, and I'm just gonna stick that in there. And that's literally, this is literally all that I carry on the daily basis. And you guys know that I keep it minimal in my bags, and I love a crossbody bag. So she does everything that I need her to do. The wear and tear, I don't have, like, I have a slight scratch on my bag. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up on it, but it's a slight scratch of me just like being rough with my bag and banging her up. But this is a close-up. You see, it's smooth leather, but it's still like kind of grainy. It's just not like how all their other camera bags, are usually made out of this material that my card holder is made out of. And you see the difference? Yeah. So this bag holds so much, and I just love her, and I would recommend anybody to get this. And if anybody were to ask me, Fatima, would you buy this in a heartbeat without even thinking again? Yes, I would. I will buy this bag in a heartbeat and not think, ooh, hair, and not think twice about it. So yeah, I will link my other videos in the card box in the description box so that you can see like the mod shots of me with the bag on, and where it falls on me. But yes, I highly recommend this bag. Like, highly. Even if you're like getting into luxury and you don't know what you want your first luxury piece is, get this bag. Trust me, get it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please also subscribe, and until next time, my loves, I'll see you guys later. Bye.